everybody. Now I am going to say examples. In the previous video, we have seen about the trigonometric values. Some specific values for the angles. For that, examples we'll see. What is the value for the given problem? That examples we'll see now. First one, cos square 30 plus sin square 30 by secant square 30. This is the one problem. Cos square 30 plus sin square 30 by secant square 30. Cos 30 value we know that it is root 3 by 2. Square is there. So root 3 by 2 whole square plus sin square 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square. By is the secant square 30. Secant 30. Secant means 1 by cos. 1 by cos 30 we can take. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So secant 30 will be 2 by root 3. Reverse of cos. 2 by root 3 whole square. Root 3 square, root 3 into root 3 by 2 square it is 4. Whole square, that means for the numerator and the denominator there is a square. Root 3 into root 3 it is 3 by 2 square 4. 3 by 4 plus again here 1 square. 1 square is 1 by 2 square 4 whole by 2 by root 3 square. 2 square is 4 by root 3 square. Root 3 into root 3. Square and root gets cancelled 3. 4 by 3 is here. So 3 by 4. Denominators are same. So directly we can add the numerators. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 4 it is 1. 1 by 4 by 3. Here 3 goes up. 3 into 1, 3. 3 by 4. Answer is 3 by 4. For the cos square 30 plus sin square 30 by secant square 30. It is 3 by 4 answer. The value is 3 by 4. Now let's see another example. Second one, cosecant square 60 by tan square 30. Tan square 30 degrees. Here cosecant square 60 degrees. Cosecant theta is 1 by sin. 1 by 60 is there, theta. So 1 by sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. 1 by root 3 by 2. 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 whole square by tan 30. Tan 30 we can take as sin theta by cos theta. Sin 30 by cos 30. Sin 30 1 by 2 by cos 30 root 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 whole square. 2 square. For the numerator, denominator the square applies. 2 square 4. 4 by root 3 into root 3. It is 3. 3 by 1 square is 1 by root 3 square. Again it is 3. So 3 gets cancelled. The answer is 4. Cosecant square 60 by tan square 30. The value is 4. Here the value is 3 by 4. Now let's see another example. Another one in the cot terms. Cos square 45 degrees plus sin square 45, sin square 60 degrees by cosecant square 0. Cosecant square 0. Here cot square 45. Cot is 1 by tan. 1 by tan 45. Tan 45 value is 1. 1 by 1, 1. 1 square is 1 again. Sin 60. It is root 3 by 2. Direct value root 3 by 2 whole square by cosecant square 0 degrees. This is 0. 0. Cosecant is 1 by sin. 1 by sin is cosecant. 1 by sin 0. Sin 0 is 0. 1 by 0, it is infinity. So infinity we can take. Anything by infinity it is 0. If we do also, answer is 0 for this. Cot square 45 plus sin square 60 by cosecant square 0 degrees is 0. As this value is infinity, anything by 0 will be infinity. Now let's see the another example. Fourth one, cos square 45 plus sin square 45. Like this, theta is same here. Theta is same. So we have to take as cos square theta is same. So theta we can take cos square theta plus sin square theta. Directly there is a formula for this. It is 1. There is a formula. ये मैं बता दिया proof. With the proof I have said the link will be given in the description. Sin cos square theta plus sin square theta is the value is 1. If we do by this trigonometric value also, we will get the same answer. That is, we'll try. Cos square 45, 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square. Here 1 by 2, 1 square is 1 by root 2 square. Root 2 square is 2 plus 1, again 1 by 2. It is 2 by 2. 1. See, direct formula cos square theta plus sin square theta. Theta value is same here. Now let's see the last example on the trigonometric values. Sin 30 into cos 45 minus cos 30 into sin 45. This is the given sum. We have to multiply this. Again subtraction we have to do. 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into cos 45. 1 by root 2. Minus cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into sin 45, it is 1 by root 2 again. So here 1 into 1. 1 by 2 root 2. 2 into root 8 is 2 root 2 minus root 3 by 2 root 2. 2 into root 2 it is 2 root 2. Here denominators are same. So directly we can subtract the numerators. That is 1 minus root 3 by 2 root 2. This is the answer for the sin 30 cos 45 minus cos 30 sin 45. Here root 3 value and root 2 value we can do. This is 1.732 root 3 value and root 2 value is 1.14. We can take 1.414 like that. 1.414. This is the value for the root 2 and the root 3 value is 1.732. We will substitute means we will get the values, but 1 minus root 3 by 2 root 2 is the answer for the sin 30 cos 45 minus cos 30 sin 45. So in this video we have seen examples. What are the example sums on the trigonometric values, certain values. Thank you.